Hi guys, so today we are at the Shamba and I'm really happy to be with you because I'm going to show you every adventure that you are going to be passing through the Shamba. Here I grab my sister, say hi. Tell them hi. She's a bit distracted. So guys, this is the cassava tree. Let me show you the roots. Come and show you the apples. Let me show you the apples. You can see the bananas. Here is the apples, their true branch. Yeah, I'm going to show you the other one. So let's go back because I'm taking care of my sister here. Can you see when we are eating? We are eating. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below there. So guys, we are going right now. Oh, you're really dirty, sis. See, she's really dirty. Really seriously, she's dirty. So guys, that is a sugar cane. So let's go and eat. Let me take a break. So guys, we're going for the cookies. I don't know what my mom wants to do that. So let me take it to her. Because we are going, so let me take it to her. So guys, we are at the cabin, so I open. I gave my sister porridge. So let me give it to her. We have opened. Come. So I'm going to show you. Sorry. Sit down and give you porridge. So guys, here's the porridge. Let me give it to her. Let me give you porridge. So guys, let me put for her porridge. You're like teens. So guys, she's literally drinking the porridge. It's very sweet. She can't refuse it. Check. So tamu. She's almost good. You take and give you sweets. I will give you. Don't worry.